Patio doors play a bigger role in your home than you might realize. They connect your indoor and outdoor living spaces, bring in natural light, and help keep your home comfortable year-round. In Sugar Land, where heat, humidity, and seasonal storms are part of daily life, patio doors take a lot of wear. Knowing when it's time to replace them can save you money, improve comfort, and boost your home's overall appeal. Here are some clear signs that your patio doors may be due for an upgrade. Difficulty opening or closing. If your patio door sticks, drags along the track, or requires extra force to open and close, it's more than just an inconvenience. Warped frames, worn rollers, or structural shifting can all cause this issue. In Sugar Land's humid climate, older doors often swell or lose alignment over time. A new patio door will glide smoothly and make daily use effortless again. Drafts and rising energy bills. Feeling warm air sneaking in during the summer or cool air escaping in winter is a strong indicator your patio doors are no longer sealing properly. Cracked weather stripping, single-pane glass, or outdated frames allow outside air to pass through easily. Replacing your patio doors with modern, energy-efficient options can help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce your monthly utility bills. Condensation between the glass panes. Moisture trapped between glass panes usually means the door's seal has failed. Once this happens, the insulating performance of the door is compromised. In Sugar Land, where humidity levels stay high for much of the year, this issue can worsen quickly. Foggy glass not only looks unattractive but also signals that replacement is the most effective solution. Visible damage or wear. Cracks in the glass, rotting wood frames, chipped vinyl, or corrosion around metal components are all warning signs. Even small issues can grow into larger problems, especially during heavy rain or intense heat. Damaged patio doors may also become safety concerns. Replacing them restores both the appearance and security of your home. Increased outside noise. If you notice more street noise, barking dogs, or neighborhood sounds entering your home, your patio doors may not be providing adequate insulation anymore. Older doors lack the sound-reducing technology found in newer models. Modern patio doors are designed to minimize noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing indoor environment. Outdated style or design. Sometimes the reason to replace patio doors isn't a problem, it's a desire for an upgrade. Older doors can make your home feel dated and limit natural light. Newer designs offer slimmer frames, larger glass panels, and a variety of styles that better match today's homes in Sugar Land. Updating your patio doors can instantly refresh your space and improve curb appeal. Security concerns. If your patio door has an old locking system or feels flimsy, it may not provide the level of security your family needs. Modern patio doors come with reinforced frames, advanced locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant glass options. Replacing outdated doors gives you peace of mind and better protection. Why patio door replacement makes sense in Sugar Land. Sugar Land homes face intense sun, heat, and humidity throughout the year. Patio doors designed with modern materials and energy-efficient glass are built to handle these conditions while keeping your home comfortable and attractive. A replacement can also increase your home's value and make everyday living more enjoyable. If your patio doors show one or more of these signs, replacement isn't just an improvement, it's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and style. Taking action now can help you enjoy smoother operation, lower energy costs, and a brighter, more welcoming home for years to come.